Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today we are make some curry chicken back with pumpkin rice. So we have the vegetables prepared ready, the seasoning and everything ready. We have the chicken back right here, 2 pounds of chicken back. I don't know, say after I clean off chicken back and the whole of the skin them and the fat and all of that come off, nothing left on the chicken back. So yes guys, this is 2 pounds of chicken back. After it's skin and all of that, wash it with some vinegar already. I have piece of garlic in there, and I'm going to go ahead and add my homemade blended green seasoning and some salt. So without further ado guys, thumbs up for the video, like the video, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so guys. My favorite brand of curry to use is the Better Pack curry. Yeah, I don't know, but for some reason I love the Better Pack curry. So I'm just going to sprinkle a generous amount. Sprinkle a generous amount there. Afterwards, I'm just going to go in with my blended season. One of our subscribers asked to get a video on this. They would like to know what's in the blended season. So one of these days I can make a video on that. Guys, the blended season have everything in there already, so I didn't even have to go ahead and add any of this, but I wanted to add this extra to the curry chicken back because I never want it just plain and dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and massage the season into the chicken back and place these vegetables in as well to get everything fully blended and combined to get all of that nice flavor there, right? If you have the powdered seasoning, you can go ahead and use your powdered seasoning, but I'm not using any powdered seasoning today. We're going straight blended herbs. It's not the color that I'm looking for, so I'm going to go in and add more curry. Mother used to tell me say my heart will change color because I love too much curry. Yes guys, I love curry a lot. And if you have the turmeric root guys, you could go ahead and use the turmeric root. Next I'm going to add the vegetables. Okay guys, so you know say when you know I cook curry with a curry butter or curry chicken, you don't have to have that little, you know, that little hint of pepper there, that little scotch bonnet something there one. So I'm going to go ahead and add some scotch bonnet pepper, guys, this ring, and a few seeds, not a lot, just a few. If you guys know anything about scotch bonnet pepper, I don't know, say it's hot, so you have to be careful with the scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to add a few seeds. And then afterwards I'm going to cover it and allow the season to marinate. Next I'm going to prepare the pumpkin to make the pumpkin rice. Today I think I'm going to use some coconut milk powder. I have some coconut, but guys, we want to get dinner started early, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the coconut milk powder instead of the coconut milk. But if you have readily available coconut milk, you can go ahead and use it, and that's the natural coconut I'm talking about. So we're just going to cut these into small pieces. So we finished cutting the pumpkin, so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse them off and prepare the pot to make the pumpkin rice. So we rinse the pumpkin. Now I'm going to add some Grace coconut milk powder. Thyme and some scallion. So we're going to cover and allow the pumpkin to cook until they are fork tender. Because the chicken back springs oil as well from the fat. So I'm going to go ahead and add some curry, burn some of the curry. So I'm just removing them one by one. So we only have the vegetables left. So we're just going to allow them to cook up. So we have the pumpkin I go and cook until it is fork tender. I like when it mash out in the pot, so that's what we're trying to achieve here. And then the chicken back I go and cook. Yes, you have to get that bone well cooked, as you know, so we love dig down in the chicken back. One of the nicest part that they make the bone. Sorry if you don't like that. So yes, so we allow the season to saute just a little bit. Then after the saute and almost half done, I'm going to pour some water in and allow them, cover the pot and allow them to cook. Spring some water and the vegetables them kind of saute half done but not completely cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some water in the pot and allow the meat to cook. Ahead and squash the pumpkin. So once it is cooked, you just go ahead and squash it. Look at this. So I just like to mash them out, right? So just mash them out in the pot. That's how I like to do it, guys. Carefully, don't burst the Scotch bonnet pepper though. As you can see, the pumpkin is soft, as we said earlier, as we mentioned earlier, so it didn't require a lot of time to cook. It probably takes about, maybe 10 minutes or even less. Some people strain off the pumpkin, but I'm not going to do that. If that's what you prefer, you can go ahead and do that. Next, I'm going to add some salt to flavor. Next, I'm going to add the rice. So I'm going to allow the rice to, you know, kind of bubble up a little bit, and then I'm going to turn it on low and allow the rice to steam until the grains are fork tender. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, and share the video with a friend. Okay, so we're down to the last lap. Curry chicken back go and simmer down so we can get that nice thick curry chicken back sauce, and the rice also go and simmer down, so you know what, soon time for a plate, right? So you can see what I go on. So that's the pumpkin rice right there. That's how I like my pumpkin rice. You can cook your pumpkin rice based on your preference. See there, the curry chicken back go and simmer down. Yes, get that thick sauce nice and lovely. And this is our final presentation, our curry chicken back with pumpkin rice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below and let us know what other recipes you'd like to see us make, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, and share the video with a friend. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.